Hey everyone, let me ask you something. What's the difference between saying I am agree and I agree? Sounds simple, right? But 80% of English learners still get it wrong. Stay with me till the end of this video because I'll not only give you the answer, but also teach you how to sound like a native English speaker, step by step. Welcome to English Speaking Pro. I'm Trump, and today we're going from Noob English to Pro English. Let's begin.
Section 1. Why your English sounds noob. Let's be honest. You've been learning English for years, but when you speak, something still sounds off. Why? Because most learners make 3 simple mistakes. Number 1. Translating directly from their native language. Number 2. Using grammar like a textbook robot. And number 3, not listening enough to real English. Example time. Wrong. I am agree with you. Right. I agree with you. Agree already means to be in agreement, so you don't need am. Another one. Wrong. She is more better. Right. She is better. These small errors make your English sound unnatural. But once you fix them, boom, you instantly sound more confident and fluent.
Section 2. Pronunciation Basics. Let's talk pronunciation, the real game changer. You don't need a perfect accent. You just need clarity, rhythm, and stress. Listen to these examples carefully. Word, wrong, natural. Comfortable, comfortable, comfortable. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Police, police, police. Now, repeat after me slowly. It's Wednesday, and I feel comfortable eating chocolate. Hear that rhythm? That's what makes it sound native. Section 3. Connected speech and flow. Now, let's add flow, because native speakers connect their words. I want to eat becomes I want to eat. What do you mean becomes what do you mean? Did you eat becomes jeet? Crazy, right? But that's what fluency really is. Smooth connection between words. Let's try it together. Say slowly, I want to go. Now say it faster. I want to go. Perfect. That's the secret of natural speech. Connection, not perfection. Section 4. Vocabulary Upgrade. Let's upgrade your vocabulary from noob to native. Stop using very all the time. Instead, use powerful emotional words. Very big, huge, enormous. Very tired, exhausted. Very happy, delighted. Very hungry, starving. Very good, excellent. Very bad, awful or terrible. Example. Wrong, I'm very tired today. Right, I'm exhausted today. Feels stronger, right? That's what native speakers do. They speak with emotion, not just grammar. Section 5. Grammar that natives use. Now, grammar. But not boring rules. Real life grammar. Rule number 1, keep it short. Wrong, I am very thankful to you for your kind support. Right, thanks a lot for helping me. Rule number 2, use contractions. I am not going, I'm not going. Do not worry, don't worry. I will see you, I'll see you. You are amazing, you're amazing. Rule number 3, use tag questions. Right, it's nice, isn't it? Right, you're coming, right? These small changes make your English natural, friendly, and confident. Section 6. Listening habit. Listening is the secret weapon of every fluent English speaker. If you only read grammar, you learn rules, not rhythm. So listen more. Listen to podcasts, watch YouTube videos, enjoy movies with subtitles. Then repeat what you hear. If someone says, "What's up?" pause, repeat, and copy their tone. You're not just learning words, you're training your mouth, your tongue, and your brain to move like a native speaker. Section 7. Think in English. You'll never sound native if you keep translating in your head. Stop thinking in your language first. Start thinking directly in English. Example. Instead of "Ami hide paisi," turn to "I'm hungry." Describe your day in English, even to yourself. Say things like, "Where's my phone? That's funny. I should clean my room." Once your thoughts switch to English, your speech automatically becomes faster and smoother. Section 8. Daily practice routine. Let's build your 20-minute daily practice plan, the Pro English Routine. Time clock. Step 1, 5 minutes listening. Choose one short English clip. Repeat 2 lines exactly. Time clock. Step 2, 5 minutes speaking. Record yourself explaining what you learned. Time clock. Step 3, 5 minutes self-talk. Talk about your day. Pretend you're teaching someone. Time clock. Step 4, 5 minutes vocabulary. Pick 5 new words. Make 1 sentence for each. Just 20 minutes a day. That's it. But if you do it daily for 30 days, you'll be shocked how fast your English changes. Commentary box. Section 9. Slang and real phrases. Microphone. Friendly tone. Now let's learn some real-life English. Phrases and slangs natives use every day. Noob, native. How are you? What's up? Or how's it going? I don't know. I don't know. I'm tired. I'm beat. Calm down. Chill out. That's great. That's awesome. Use these with friends, but not in job interviews. They make your speech relaxed, modern, and authentic. Compass box. Section 10. Confidence and mindset. Microphone. Warm, motivational tone. Confidence is everything. Even if your grammar isn't perfect, speak anyway. Smile while you talk. Use your hands. Believe what you're saying. Don't say, "My English is not good." Say, "I'm improving every single day." Native level English isn't about accent. It's about attitude. Powerful. Section 11. Recap. Microphone. Summary tone. Let's recap everything you learned today. Checkmark. Don't translate. Think in English. Checkmark. Focus on rhythm, not accent. Checkmark. Use contractions. Checkmark. Listen and repeat daily. Checkmark. Speak every day, even alone. Checkmark. Learn one new word every day. Outro. Closing and call to action. Microphone. Energetic outro tone. So, back to our question. Why is I am agree wrong? Because agree already means to be in agreement. So the correct way is I agree. Congratulations! Now you sound more native already. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit the like button, subscribe to English Speaking Pro, and comment below. Forward. I'm becoming a pro. I'm Trump, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, don't speak like a noob, speak like a pro.